Well, back again. This time I removed the board. I found the capacitors what I was expecting to be. You see, like I'm gonna show you. Let me see what I get now. Okay, now these here with the markings, I've already changed. I didn't have changed this one because this one was testing good, but I test all of them anyway. These three here is what I've changed. I'm gonna show you. See, first thing you notice is on the capacitor on top of the head, it's bulged out. It's bulged. So when it bulged like this, it's got to be changed. All right. These are the three right here I've changed, replaced with new ones. So next time, if this come back, I mark them so I know what I've changed already on the board. Everything seems to be good. This big board here is good. No need to change that. This big one here, these big ones here, don't actually have to be changed. The head it goes out. So anyway, these are the three caps right here, three bad caps. Okay, and get me good focus on this thing, man. Alright, see how the bulge out there, man. It's bulge, doing good. Alright, now because it's throw away to the dump side. Okay, bulge out, no good. The values are 2200 microfarad 10 volts. This one was a 1500 microfarads, 16 volts. This was a let me see. Oh, also 1500, 16 volts. So I guess every man has a part doing their job in the circuit. So I will just put it back. Fuck. Alright. Plug these babies back in. G-Boost 2 back in. Sure it's set good. Alright, double check. Alright. Let's see. Oh. Got my screws. Kind of doing this like one hand, so you understand. We need 4 screws. Each corner 4 screws. All right. There you go. Hopefully, I will get something going on. I would say that was an easy fix. Alright. Now, screws are in. Making sure no debris is on the chassis or on the inside. Last, power cord, power juice. There you go. Alright. Okay. Everything looking good so far. It's communication board. It's all good. Different section. This is the heartbeat right here. Drivers, transformers, power regulators, power transistors, power diodes, fuse. It's heartbeat right here, man. Okay, pause it. I'll be back and hope you got juice. Back, y'all. I just put on the stand. No, I'm about to plug this baby in. Let's hope it don't blow up my face. Joking. Alright. Plug the baby in. Let's first make sure all the wires are in. Alright, this look good. This look good. Okay. I'm keep my finger crossed right here. Let's go for it, Ray. Let's go. There you go. Plug's going in. The plug is going in. It's going in. It's going in. It's going in. It's going in. Oops. Nothing. Okay. Let's turn this baby around. Let's turn it around. Let's turn it around. Let's turn it around. Make sure my hand on is on chassis because. Okay. All right. Here we go. We've got the red light, folks. We've got the red light. Okay. All right. Now, let's see, I got this thing fixed up here. It's all set up. Let's see. I'm gonna do this, plug the cable in. Cables in. I'm gonna take the remote and I check it on. Now, once you see the green light on, everything's good from here. Here we go. All right.
Esta es una gran oportunidad. ¿Dejaste San Francisco para venir a
Sí.
Michigan? ¿Estás...
Everything.
Employees of the federal government and makes threats the way that he did.
Yes,
that's
sir.
supposed to be your solution.
All right,
to
y'all.
the United
That's it.
States' way they're gonna
That's a little
communicate
video.
to the world.
It's what I do. In the spare time, that's what I do. These are my babies, so they have me do the work.
As just mentioned, there are people ready to whistleblow. He thinks
Alright.
that you can govern by chaos.
Next time, y'all,
It's not working. It is
probably
true,
do a,
yes, 36% of the American
got some
public
CB radios to work
backing
on.
him. But that means
Got some
over
2-way
60%
radios
of
I'm working on
Americans
this time.
think that he's doing a miserable
So probably
job, and
I
the
make
rest
more
of the
space
world
for
is
those.
laughing. We have a
So right now
crisis
it's
in North
as
Korea.
hot
We're
and I'm
playing these
sweating.
reality TV, big-time
Right?
wrestling
Thanks.
games because Donald
Next
Trump
time,
is weaned and
see
raised
you.
on television.
Radio
And
Tech
it's
Ray.
become like a TV episode.